Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to view message request on Instagram. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Instagram app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now this is the home page of your Instagram, and to see a message request you can simply tap on message icon which is available on the lower bottom of your screen, so tap on it. Now this is your inbox, and on the right side of your screen you can simply see the option of request, so tap on it. Now tap on OK, and you can see your direct message request as well as hidden request like this. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.